All right, so do we remember what quarter 4 is about, Kyle?
No.
Somebody help him out.
Nature.
What'd you say?
Nature.
Nature. Kyle, what is quarter 4 about?
Nature.
All right, quarter 4 is about nature. Today's lesson, we're going to work on comparing myths. What are the 2 myths that we're comparing? Bradley.
I am school to Thunderman and Play and out there and the spider stole
And how grandmother spider stole the sun. Now, today we're going to compare the characters, events, themes, and evidence from the 2 myths. All right? Go to the next slide. All right, so right now I'm going to hand out your warm-up, and you're just going to answer those questions, this question. Alonzo, can you read the question for me? Why do cultures create myths? All right. On the paper, there's a sentence starter. All you have to do is rewrite the sentence starter, and you're going to write your answer. What's up? You got 2? Go to that back to you.
Put it back in.
Have a seat right there.
Me?
Right there. Yeah, I'm good. All right, so I'm going to set a 3-minute timer. Sincere, come get a paper. Let him come. Raise your hand and say, I need a paper. Miss Sierra's not doing the work, you're doing it, right? So come get your paper. Why do cultures create myths? Alright? So we're writing the sentence starter. Cultures create myths to explain what? Alright, so the first thing you can start writing is the sentence starter. Even if you don't know, start writing that. Alright? Cultures create myths to explain. You can start writing that. Got a pencil, Kyle? Alright, so let's start writing. You can start writing the sentence starter. Everybody can be writing something. Even if you don't know what you're going to write after that, we all should have that on our paper. Okay? Take another minute, and then we're going to share a couple. Take about 20 more seconds, and we're going to share something. Kyle, you get anything yet? Do you think you have any ideas? Okay. Go to the next. All right, next we're going to do the vocab. All right. So we're going to go over this vocab, and you're going to copy the vocab in the boxes provided. Okay. You got a pencil? Where's your pencil? All right. What's our first word, Corey?
Myth.
Myth. What is a myth?
It's a little something about the world or teaching of
Okay, it's too small. A myth is a traditional story that explains something about the world or teaches a lesson. A traditional story that explains something about the world or teaches a lesson. Can anyone give me an example of a myth? The three little pigs? What is that myth? What is it? What is the myth? I don't know. You have a better example?
Wendigo.
What is it?
Wendigo.
Wendigo?
It's an urban myth.
It's an urban myth. What is the myth?
What about unicorn?
Can you finish? What is the myth?
It's like you haven't heard of Wendigos?
Unicorns. That's a good answer. What is the myth with unicorns? It's a mythical what?
Creature.
It's a mythical creature. Okay? Have you ever seen one? You think they're real?
No.
Teachers, please pardon the interruption. At this time, 8th grade students may move to their testing location. Non-testers can move to the cafeteria. And just a reminder, there is no cell phone use, no
Wait, do we have a
Apple Watches, no AirPods
Oh,
while in testing. Thank you.
Alright. We just got myth. We said a myth, example of a myth was a what, Kyle? What we get?
A unicorn.
A unicorn. Okay? What's our next word, Kyle?
Theme.
Theme. What is the theme? What does that mean?
The messengers.
A message or a lesson?
Message or lesson the author wants readers to understand.
Alright, good. The theme is the message or lesson the author wants the readers to understand. Okay? What are two things that we can compare, Kyle?
Compare anything. You can't.
Somebody help him out.
Can you compare shoes?
Shoes. Anything else that we can compare? Socks. What else?
Who's a better character?
Who's a better character? Good. Go back to Kyle. What are two things we can compare, Kyle?
The pants.
Pants. Sincere. What are two things we can compare? Aubrey, help Sincere out. Cars. Somebody else help Sincere out. Yes. Who's a better fighter? Right? Sincere, give me two things you can compare. Somebody else help him out. Give him some other things we can compare. A book. Alonzo, what else can we compare? Huh? Newspaper. What else can we compare? Chair. Sincere. Give me two things we can compare. Phone. Simple. Okay? That's simple. What's our next word, Sincere? Somebody help him out.
Analyze.
Contrast.
Oh.
What's our next word, Sincere? Contrast. Tell how two things are different, okay? So it's pretty much just like compare. Is this you're doing what? Which ones are different, okay? Charlize, give me two things you can contrast. A dog and a cat, so animals. What else? Aubrey. Huh? Flags. Good. Those are two things that you can contrast, okay? This was the word that Kyle had. What's our next word, Kyle?
Analyze.
Analyze. Alright? Break ideas apart and explain how they work. Okay? break ideas down and explain how they work. Could I analyze a video game, Tion? Yes or no? Could I analyze a video game? Yes, that is correct. You can analyze a video game because you have to learn like how to play it, what buttons to press, when to do certain things. Give me something else I can analyze, Corey.
Your work.
Your work. You can analyze your work. Good. Take a couple seconds, finish writing these vocab words down, and then we're going to go to the next slide. Okay? We'll get you caught up. Don't worry about it. All right. Next, we're going over compare and contrast again. Okay? Okay. So over here we have compare, and then on the other side we have what, Aubrey? Contrast. All right. So what is compare, Aubrey? Compare is what? How they are alike. All right. So you can say both stories. What? Both stories are what? What'd you say? The same. Both characters are what? Alike. One similarity is what? Huh? What is one similarity of two characters? What could one similarity be? What? What can one similarity be? What can one similarity be between two characters or two stories? They both take the sun, okay? Easy, simple. Contrast, all right? What is contrast? Contrast is talking about how two stories are what? Different, okay? All right, so do the first one. One difference.
Yes, in the Coyote steals the movie, he takes the moon and the sun, but then, I don't understand, the spider stole the sun, she didn't get the moon, just the sun.
Good, good, all right? How they acquired the sun is the one difference, all right? Then you can say in the first story, what, Aubrey? In the first story, what? You can say what? She only took the sun. And the second story, what? She took the moon and the sun, okay? All right, let's go to the next slide. We're going to do these, all right? So, who are the main characters in this story? The eagle? Oh, go back. Not working? Alright, so the main characters were, was that me? Or was that you? Oh, I know why. Alright, so the main characters are, who do we say? Eagle, Coyote, who else? Is that it? Okay. Got it. Eagle and Coyote. What does Coyote want? Light. Okay. What's the problem that happens? What problem happens?
The sun and moon escape into the sky.
Sun and moon escape. Okay. How does the light get into the world? What happens? You what?
The sunlight into the sky.
Somebody besides Bradley and JJ. The sun flew away. so what was the lesson or theme in this story? Let's see if you guys can figure that out. What is the lesson or theme? Yes.
Oh, that was good. It talked about the dick.
No. Curiosity is not always good. What else could we say? What were you gonna say, Aubrey? Huh? Don't do things you're not supposed to do. Okay? Curiosity isn't always good. Okay? Is you're going to turn and talk with a partner. What is one similarity between myths? Okay? So, go ahead. You guys want to break into groups actually now. Find a partner and break into groups. Bradley and Joseph, you guys in the group. Who else in the group? Aubrey and Charlize. Me and Chris and Alonzo will be in the group. You can go back there with Sincere. Tion, you go back there too. Alright. Take a couple minutes to think about one similarity between the myths and one difference between the myths. Turn and talk. Turn and talk.
Look in the book.
What's the similarity? What's something that you're saying? Something that you're saying.
Alright, so let's go over these. Alright, that group, what'd you guys get? What was one similarity that we got? They both were about stealing the sun. Kyle, is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Good. What did we get? We got the same thing in my group. Is that what you guys got? Alright, so you guys are gonna give me one difference.
One steals.
I want you to read the whole thing.
One difference between the myths is the coyote steals the sun and then he steals two things, and the spider steals only one thing, which is the sun.
Alright, so in one story they steal two things, and in the other myth they steal one thing. What did we get in my group? Alonzo. What did we get? Chris, what did we say? You said the difference was the what? The difference was the different type of character. So one story had what? What characters were in one story? Coyote, and in the other story what? Spiders. So different animals, different creatures in the myths. All right. So next, this is what you guys are going to work on for about the next 10 to 15 minutes in your groups. It's a comparison chart. All right. So you guys are doing this as a group, so I only need one turned in from the group. Alright?
Make curses words.
I'll start you off, and then you guys are gonna do the rest on your own.
With the angel.
Okay?
We have to make it. Right now.
Alright, let's go over some more of these. What did you guys get for, let's do problem.
For Coyote stole the sun and moon, he did the sun and the moon escaped.
The sun and the moon escaped. Okay? What did you guys get for how grandmother spider stole the sun? It was too hot. Alright, so take a couple more seconds. Make sure your names are on these papers and come place them right here. We're gonna collect them.
This one. This
You
one.
make sure everybody in your group's name is on your paper.
God bless you.
Go back to your seat. Alright, next we're doing your exit ticket. So if you turn to the last page in your packet, you will see your exit ticket. Okay? Now, on your exit ticket, you can use your notes that you took. And what you're going to do is you're going to answer the 4 questions. So you're- Okay, right now, we're finishing this, okay? When you're finished with the exit ticket, you can go. Alright? Let's go back to our seats. Kyle. When you are done, come turn in your exit ticket and your notes. I'll put them right here. So you're gonna place your papers right beside that. Let's make one right there. Yep. And then one here. Okay, Charlize is done. Aubrey's done.